Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a folding table that fits into a small space but still looks really nice, then you definitely need to check out this one from Join Iron. My mom needed something that would fit into her 40-foot fifth wheel trailer, and this one has been absolutely perfect. It's 27.5 inches square and 31 inches high. What's great about this is she can fit her dog's kennel underneath it when she doesn't have company or want to use the table. But then as soon as she wants to, she has two folding chairs that came with the trailer that actually match this table perfectly. It's very elegant and so much better than other generic folding tables on the market right now. Also, the top has some really nice variety of color in it that just makes it look really nice and homey. So the table has brackets on the backside that fit around the metal bars on the folding table, and you just simply shove those in place. Taking it apart is quite easy as well, just a little tug, and it comes right off of those metal rungs. Then it folds up and tucks away into a corner. This is sturdy, well made, and is just perfect for the small area that my mom uses it in. We absolutely love it, and that's our point of view.